Hey Art Snackers, welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is Roxanne, also known as By Bun, and I'm a mixed media artist and illustrator. By the looks of this month's sticker, spring has definitely sprung, and we've got a super rad batch of supplies to review. Everything from paper, a bottle of ink, a really awesome pen, and much more. So this is the ArtSnacks Bee breakdown? Okay, I'm kidding. Well, not really. This is the ArtSnacks Box breakdown. Well, hold on. Let me get out of this thing here. Okay. Welcome back to another box breakdown, the monthly video series where we take a closer look at some of the supplies and techniques found in the latest ArtSnacks box. We do a breakdown every month here on the channel, so be sure you're subscribed to never miss a video. So you're probably wondering, why on earth is this woman in a bee suit? Well, it's a little clue into the illustration I'll be doing with this month's supplies. I was inspired both by the spring season and some of the colors that I received in my box. Okay, getting a little hot in the bee suit. Gonna take it off now. Ah, that's much better. Let's jump into the April box, shall we? First up, I want to talk about the bonus item, since it's what I'll be using to create my artwork, the Aquarelle Canson Heritage Watercolor Paper. You're getting not one, not two, but 3 sample sheets to try out. This 100% cotton paper is super sturdy and absorbent for testing out the rest of the materials in this month's box. What's great about samples like this is that you can test out the product to see if you like it before fully committing. Of course, if you love it, then you can buy full-size pads of paper in the ArtSnacks shop. To begin, I'm going to lay down my sketch onto a piece of the watercolor paper. Here, I'm using the Derwent HB graphic pencil, and a little later the Derwent 2-in-1 eraser sharpener combo. Both of these can be found in the July 2017 box, or you can pick them up in the ArtSnacks shop. Everything's in the shop, people. Always go to the shop. ArtSnacks shop! So for my ArtSnacks challenge, I decided to create a bee illustration, with a larger bee in the center and a honeycomb and floral design around it. With my sketch complete, it's now time to lay down some color. For this illustration, I'll be applying all of my wet media first. So next up, I'm reaching for the Daler Rowney FW Acrylic Artist Ink. I'm a big fan of acrylic ink. It's vibrant, it's water resistant, and allows you to achieve a lot of different techniques. You can apply it like you would watercolor or straight on for a more opaque look. You're also getting a nice size bottle here, which will last you for quite some time. With the easy to use dropper tip, I'll put some of this gorgeous olive green ink into my palette. Using the brush we also got this month, which I will get to in a moment, I'm actually going to use a second well in my palette to water down some of the ink. This will allow me to create a lighter wash of color in my honeycomb background. I can even test out my wash on another piece of watercolor paper before applying it to my sketch. You can also see right away how well this paper absorbs and reacts to media as I apply the ink. Let's take a moment to talk about the brush I'm using. This month, we got a Robert Simmons short handle acrylic paintbrush. Now we all got different brush types in our boxes, but I picked up a size 12 shader in mine, perfect for covering large areas and backgrounds. The synthetic filaments in this brush holds color while giving you great control. You can see I can mix my ink, apply it, and navigate around my sketch with ease. Now as much as I am digging this brush, and I will be back to it in a moment, I'm going to toggle now to a smaller brush size so I can lay in some more opaque inky details. This is a pretty small scale piece of art, so the Raphael mini precision brush we got in the February box should do the job. With my floral details in, it's time now to add a bit more color. Next up, we've got the Caran d'Ache Super Color Soft Aquarelle Pencil. Do you see now why I went for a honeybee kind of vibe? I couldn't resist with that green ink and now this super vibrant yellow pencil. This high quality water soluble color pencil is bright and creamy to use as is or alongside a wet brush. You can see that just with a bit of water on a brush, you can fan out smooth and beautiful color. In my illustration, I'll use this Caran d'Ache pencil to add some color to the center shape and to my bee. With my ArtSnacks challenge buzzing along, it's time now to finish things up with the last item in this month's box. The Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen that is twin tip and features both black and gray ink. I feel like I've been searching for this pen my whole life. As someone who shades very often with gray pens, it is so convenient and awesome to have everything in one place like this. This ArtSnacks staff favorite features a flexible brush tip on both sides. The flexibility allows you to create both thin or thick lines depending on how much pressure you apply. The real highlight, however, is that you've got black ink on one side and gray on the other, and both are waterproof when dry. So returning back to my artwork, I'll first do some outlining in black, and then later create some shading all over in gray. With some gray added in, I can easily switch back to the black ink and pack in more detail. You can really see just how great the supplies in this month's box work together. Like a beehive. Yeah? Come on, that's good. And there you have it, the April ArtSnacks box. If you're new to ArtSnacks and want to start receiving your monthly box, I will leave a link in the description box below where you can sign up. Of course, while you're here, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for future box breakdowns, and follow ArtSnacks on social media. This has been another ArtSnacks box breakdown, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye! Another day, another video. Okay, I'm totally kidding. Or am I? Not the most comfortable thing to wear. How on earth am I gonna top this next month? I don't even know.